What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm starting off by priming my face. I'm just gently patting that in. I'm moving on to doing my foundation. Guys, I am not that good at voiceovers, so I'm not going to talk that much in this video. I'm using Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation in the color 210, and I like this foundation. It does give me full coverage. Now I'm using Almay's Clear Complexion Concealer. I've used this twice, and I also go in with my Maybelline contour stick that I use quite often. I love this contour stick. The Almay complexion concealer actually blends in pretty well, so I'm liking it so far. Taking my ColourPop palette Sweet Talk, and I'm just gonna do a simple little look here, nothing too fancy, you know. Now I'm just going in with a little bit of glitter from the same palette. I usually do not mess with glitter or do glitter, but I was thinking girly today and something simple. Why not throw a little bit of glitter on my eyelid? I am like really impressed with this palette and like how well the glitter is sticking to my eyelid. I'm just brushing away all the setting powder. Guys, I have really been focusing on practicing my makeup and perfecting my craft. When I first started doing like eyeshadows and stuff, I was like, okay, I will never be able to do makeup. But with 2 months of me taking it seriously, your girl has definitely come a long way. Like, I've been into makeup for a very long time, but I've been taking it more seriously at the end of last year, beginning of this year, and I am like really perfecting this makeup. Now I'm taking a highlighter by Tarte. This is my first time using this highlighter. I like to take it over my mouth, you know, my nose, over my eyebrows, you know, just to give me a little bit of shine. When I don't feel like wearing lipstick, I just throw on a little bit of coconut oil and bam! And that is it, guys. The look is complete. Hey, babe.
It's so funny.
I'm so funny.
Yeah. Okay. I like your eyes.
It's like my eyes.
Yeah.
So, guys, she just came in the room with me while I was recording, and she likes my makeup. How do you think mommy did?
Good.
Good. So, I just came up with a great idea. Why not transform her into me? We're already wearing the same tops, the same pattern. So why not transform her into me? So I thought it would be fun, mother-daughter thing to do. So I'm going to transform her into me. Just gonna take a little bit of water to her edges and do her edges, her little baby hairs.
How's your day going so far, baby girl?
Good.
Good day. Tell them your favorite color.
Pink and purple.
And tell them, like, what's some things you like doing for fun?
Activities and stuff.
You like doing activities?
Yeah.
What's your favorite sport?
Gymnastics.
Gymnastics. Okay. You being so quiet.
Yeah.
I think she's just super excited, y'all. Right? You just too excited?
Yeah. I'm too excited with everything.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, snap. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Color Pop, just like I did on my face. I'm not going to put too much makeup on her because she is a kid and she has sensitive skin. And I want her to not, you know, be doing too much. I thought this would be a super fun video to do. You having fun?
Mm-hmm.
You can't wait to see her.
Yeah.
I know. She likes playing dress up in her room and stuff.
I do good makeup too.
Yeah, she does really good with makeup actually. Never know, when you grow up you might do makeup or
might be a makeup artist.
Yeah.
Like you.
Or a superstar.
Yeah.
You already my superstar.
Yeah. Always be.
You always be my superstar?
Yeah.
Okay, girl, you right though. You right. Tell them about the makeup look that you just did.
I did a cute little blue eyes, and I used eyeshadow, pink eyeshadow on my lips.
Yeah. And there's no rules to makeup, so I thought it was really creative that she took the eyeshadow and used it as lipstick. For her age, that's very creative. What made you do that? Like, what made you say, hey, I'm going to take this eyeshadow and I'm going to put it on my lips?
Because I didn't know it was going to show on my lips, so I was thought it was going to make my lips glary, just glary. I didn't know it was going to show on my lips.
So you were just trying it?
Yeah. But
okay.
I decided to keep it on.
You decided to keep it on?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's creative.
I said, this one is perfect.
That was very creative. Just gonna put some
blush
on you.
How is this right?
Because you're smart.
Yeah, I know makeup.
I am gonna let her use a little bit of my highlighter because I got a little highlight on too. So just a little bit.
That smells like chocolate.
Does it?
Yeah. You can smell like chocolate.
And I don't have any lipstick on. I just use coconut oil, so I'm going to do the same for her. You don't want to use coconut oil. You want to use your lipstick I just bought you, don't you?
Yeah. I think this one was the last one. Was it the last one?
Yeah, other than that.
Whoa, that is so cute.
Put a little bit of this butter gloss on. That means mommy got to put a little bit on too.
Yeah, I can.
You want to put mommy's on for her?
Yeah. Oh, this one's cute on your lips too.
Is it?
Yeah. You might like it a little bit. I really like this purple on your lips.
Ooh, that is cute.
Ah, I like it. I like mine.
It's a little pink. And we had the same earrings on, don't we?
Yeah.
We're twins!
I like being twins so much.
You do?
Yeah.
So guys, this is how everything turned out. Look at us. Look like mommy.
Yes.
So how you feel?
Happy.
You look like two beauty queens. Now say whoa.
Whoa.
I turned my daughter into me. But let's tell them what's the most important thing that mama tells you all the time about makeup.
Makeup doesn't make you beautiful.
Makeup is just for what?
Fun.
And it's a way of art. Yes, you're already beautiful. You don't need makeup, and this is just a video.
I think makeup doesn't make me beautiful.
Because you already know you would.
beautiful.
Oh, tell them, say, I know it.
I
know I'm beautiful.
I know I'm beautiful.
And that's all that matters. We look all artistic and stuff and shimmery and glittery and sparkly.
Yeah.
This is the end of this video.
It is a
thumbs it up. You heard what she said. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. If you guys like videos like this, let me know. Mwah! Bye!